And the way that this swirls around, it just coats everything. So my sister-in-law called and said, hey, Brian, is there a product that will clean the toilet but won't destroy all the tank parts? I said, I got you. Let's get to fixing. This is Fluidmaster's Flush and Sparkle Cleaning System. Okay, this is going to go in the tank, but it's not going to destroy the tank. This particular kit you can get on fluidmaster.com. It comes with 2 setups, 1 for each toilet, 2 bathhouse, right? It comes with 2 bleach cartridges and 2 blue. This is the disinfectant. This works on older style of toilets. This works on the Kohler Aqua Piston. This is going to work on just about any toilet out there. Really just going to pop one of these out. I'm going with blue because I want to show you that there will be no blue water in the tank, but you're going to get blue water in the bowl. And that is effectively what we want. So these cartridges are going to last up to 3 months, depending on your use. You might get a little bit longer. And then if you're on Septic, you could actually get these green ones that are designed to clean your toilet and to keep your septic tank balanced with some microbes. I have always been a big proponent of doing additives in my septic tank. So now you want to go down and find your shut-off valve to your toilet. Get that shut off. Remove the toilet tank lid. We can go ahead and just give it a flush. We probably didn't have to. You probably could go ahead and install this without even doing that. Grab yourself either a utility knife or a little pair of wire snips. This is going to work really well for snipping this tubing. This right here is the out tube that is going to go to the piston. You can see that it has that piece on it. If you just had a regular flush valve, then you could just slide this right into your flush valve. With this aqua piston, it's going to be just a little bit different. We're just going to remove this. Really super simple. Pop that off right there. Pop that off right there. Pop this down right here. You know, I don't want that to interfere. It's going to interfere. I ain't going to clip nothing. I'm just going to plug that in right there. That created that little bit of a dip right there. That's great. All right. That way this doesn't catch on anything right there. Perfect. I am going to chop this one off a little bit though. That doesn't need to be that high. We'll get down to right about there. And we'll just give that a little snippy. So say a good little measurement. Good little snip. Get that put on there. All right, that's going to work out for the top of our tank. This is great. It's got these little slots. It's got a little O-ring up top. Yeah, this is getting awesome. It just spins and screws down in place. When that arrow meets that arrow, you're locked in. And let's turn her back on, see what we got. Down right here, go slow. Slowly filling her up. All right, and look, I mean, the way that this swirls around, it just coats everything. That's going to be a good little thing for keeping your bowl clean. That's a quick little easy cleaning solution from Fluidmaster. 7 out of 10 toilets these days have a Fluidmaster fill valve in them. They make quality stuff. It's funny because 25 years ago, when I first started and I was making repairs and installing these Fluidmaster fill valves, I always questioned why these toilets with old ball cocks just didn't have Fluidmaster fill valves in them. And now look, they're everywhere. And if you want to test this product out, go to fluidmaster.com. That's what I've got for you today, the Flush and Sparkle Cleaning System. Look, if you're throwing bleach tablets or those blue disinfectant tablets in your tank, stop doing that ASAP. We know the name Fluidmaster. They've been helping people fix toilets for a long time. It's my go-to toilet rebuild kit. It's my go-to fill valve. And now it's going to be my go-to cleaning system. I'm impressed with how easy they've made it to install, very DIY friendly, and I know it's going to be able to help somebody out that doesn't like cleaning their toilets. You want a product that's not going to destroy all your gaskets and cause you to have to rebuild your toilet tank prematurely. Hopefully this helps with manually cleaning the bowl a bunch. I think my sister-in-law is going to be happy, and I know my wife's probably going to want them now too. Thank you folks very much, and we'll see you again real soon. And look, after about a half hour flushing, still checking this out, there is no blue in this tank whatsoever.